everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see what friends play certain games or what games they have played on your Xbox Series X. This is easy to do. Press the Xbox button on the controller and then you can go on over to people and then you can go to your friends. So let's go to First Make Price right here and then go on over to their profile, see full profile. Then you can go on over to gaming. And right here are all the games that this person has specifically played. So I think they played Grand Theft Auto the last. So we can go to this game now and we can compare our stats against theirs. So I haven't played Grand Theft Auto at all. You can see I have 0 play hours. And over here I have 10 days. This is First Mate Bryce. He's got 10 days right here. He's got like $97,000 that he earned in Grand Theft Auto. So you can see all these different stats. Playing time in GTA Online. So that's 43 days. This must be the single player or something up here on the top. So you can just look at all their stats and you can go by each game here. So here's Fortnite. So let's go to my stats. Gamer score is 0, but I did play a little bit on the PlayStation 5. This person played it for 49 days. They completed a lot of missions, and here's all the different achievements. So you can kind of see what games they've been playing. They show up under this list. You can see the percentage, their game score, their achievements for that specific game. So this is their activity feed, essentially, their game activities. And you can scroll on down all the way to the bottom. And there might be some games they've never played before. This is because you've played those games. So you're going to start seeing those too. But if you got some numbers over here on the right side of the screen, they probably have achievements in that game, or maybe they've downloaded or something like that. So here's Multiverses. I like that game. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.